Hi guys, welcome to another special sounds video. Let's go ahead and get started saying all the ones we know so far, and then we'll talk about our new one at the very end. Ready? Begin. Thir in 3, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Oo in tooth, O-O. Were in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. All in ball, A-L-L. Ock in walk, A-L-K. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. N in not, K-N. N in gnat, G-N. Ang in bang, A-N-G. Ing in king, I-N-G. Ong in long, O-N-G. Ung in strung, U-N-G. And the one we're going to do today is ank in bank, A-N-K. Let's pretend we're putting money in the piggy bank. So, ank in bank, A-N-K. You try it. Good. Let's try it all together. Ank in bank, A-N-K. Good. I'm so proud of you guys. We made it to a new one. We're going to go ahead and get out a piece of paper and a pencil, and we're going to find this new special sound in these new words. So, I'm going to write it down, and you follow along with me. The first one is this word right here. Go ahead and write this word down and circle the special sound that we just learned. Good. If you circled the A-N-K, you would be correct. So let's sound it out together. Ready? We've got Y says y, ank, y, ank, yank, yank, yank. Yank means to pull something hard. So go ahead and use the word yank in a sentence. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and do a new word. Next word is go ahead and circle the special sound, write it down, and then see if you got it correct. All right, if you circled the A-N-K, you would be correct. Let's sound it out together. We know T says T, and ank, T, ank, tank, tank, tank. Go ahead and use the word tank in a sentence for me. Nice job. All right, here's another one. Go ahead and write this word down and circle the special sound you see. Nice. All right, here we go. If you circled the A-N-K, you are correct. Now, Let's try to sound it out together. We've got d-er, d-er, dur. So we've got dur and ank. Dur-ank. Drank. 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 I drank a lot of water today to stay hydrated and healthy. Drank. Now you go ahead and use the word drank in a sentence. Nice job. All right, now here's for one last one. Go ahead and write this down and then circle the special sound. Be careful, there might be more than one. Good job. All right, if you circled the A-N-K and you circled the T-H, you would be correct. But now let's try to sound it out carefully. We know TH has two sounds. It can either say in thick or in this. In this case, this says so we have ank, ank, thank, thank. So this word means like when you say thank you. So I'm going to say thank you to you for all of your hard work, keeping up, and doing your very best. Good job. Now go ahead and use the word thank in a sentence. Please thank your parents for the food, or please thank the Lord for what He's given you. Go ahead and use thank in a sentence. Good job. I'm so proud of you, and we will see you in our next special sound video. And until next time, bye guys.